So you're still limping to me. Check engine light says you should. I can't keep wrenching everything. Wish, bro, I really could. Your coils spark like they're joking. Whole Volvo's coughing smoke. Yeah, we're just misfiring, broke. But I still got torque to show. Cause you're misfire, misfiring broke. Misfire, misfiring broke. Misfire, misfiring broke. Misfire broke German whip. Yeah, misfire broke German whip. We got nothing in common. You cruise, I rip the line. You say refined, I'm rowdy. Pretty sure my 8.4 is right. What's fun about your limb mode? When red keys life to live. Yeah, you stay misfiring broke. I'll supercharge every drift. Found your misfire, misfiring broke. Misfire, misfiring broke. Misfire, misfiring broke. Misfire broke German whip. Yeah, misfire broke German whip. Jump, then we think. Lost control's a game of love. Run 9 seconds in, do it all in the name of fun. Whoa, I'm so high on octane. I'm so caught up in boost. Yeah, you're just misfiring broke. Why my demons letting it loose? Yeah, while you misfire, misfiring broke. Misfire, misfiring broke. Misfire, misfiring broke. Misfire broke German whip. Yeah, misfire broke German whip. I should've just bought a Hemi. Rest in pieces, Volvo. You'll never see the day of light again. Misfire broke German whip. I should've just ignored your sour ass. Oh, whatever, you deserve your whole ass engine disassembled. And I said it once and I'll say it again. Fuck the Volvo. Dodge is better. Enjoy the van life, and please, for the love of God, your attitude makes me want to take a Zofran.